Hello, my name is Charlotte.
My name is Joshua,
And my name is Andrew.
and this is our car, the Starry. We consider upcycled materials, design, and optimize speed by using a combination of gear ratios.
For the materials, we considered whether they would make our car heavy, bulky, or whether they would be environmentally friendly.
This is a closer view of our car. We use corrugated plastic for the chassis, cloth hangers to support the solar panel, straws as bearings to reduce friction between the wheel and chassis, plastic wheels, tape to secure the battery pack and the motor onto the chassis, and 3 separate wires to secure the solar panel.
For the guide wire attachment, we use the flexible wire as shown.
This is a table which shows the materials we use as well as the weight of each one. Overall, our car weighs about 200 grams.
Gear ratios explain the rate at which two meshing gears spin. The input gear goes on the motor and the output gear goes on the axle. We use a gear ratio of 50 to 20, which means torque over speed. We chose torque because we consider that it have a larger driving force at the beginning to propel the car forward.
On the other hand, for design, we decided on the theme of the Starry Night, and we painted the car blue with yellow and white stars to fit it.
Back to the prototype, we tried several gears that were all placed at the back of the chassis until we decided on a pair that made the car run fastest, the 50 to 20 combination.
So to explain, first we used a 30 to 10 gear combination with the motor placed on the right back side of the chassis. Then we switched to a 20 to 30 gear ratio combination, but it moved slow and made awful noises due to friction and contact with the wheels, so we flipped it around to a 30 and 20 combination. This worked, but it didn't run as fast compared to our final combination. Lastly, we decided on the 50 to 20 gear ratio, and we attached the gears in the middle of the chassis. This ran the fastest out of all the other tries, at a speed of about 1.5 meters per second from a distance of 20 meters. Next, we're going to explain how the solar panels convert solar energy to electrical power.
Sunlight contains tiny particles of electron called protons. When the sun rays hit the solar panel absorbs light and heat from the sun, forming an electrical current. Electrical current is transferred by leads to the power motor. The motor powers the driving gear. While the gears rotate, they cause the axle and car wheels to spin, ultimately causing the car to move forward.
This is a more detailed explanation of how this works, and this is a graph.
Although solar energy is still facing many challenges in becoming a reliant energy source, solar energy is getting better, cheaper, and safer than available alternatives, and has the potential of becoming an important source of energy or electricity around the globe, allowing us to reduce our carbon footprint.
Thank you for watching.